My people, no be small thing, no. They say this last one, everybody they collect woto. As it start right now, they say Nnamdi Kanu don provoke, go carry the whole doctors, we go write the fake certificate, say nothing they do am. He don drag all of them, go for court for inside Nigeria, and at the stand now, they say those people go pay am almost 500 and something million naira. Oh, the money too big, a lot. But the truth now be say the Nigeria government don take over their judiciary, their courts, the police, the military, the everything. So no justice for the country. Now be the thing. If in a country where we say justice is there, all those people will go write that fake document bring come. By now they go down there inside prison. My people, as that one they happen though, you know say Donald Trump be talk say if Nigeria no fees waiting they happen for inside their country, he go waka enter inside Nigeria. Do you know that yesterday this Boko Haram attack many villages for inside Sokoto and for other places yesterday as we dey talk, and they buy a lot of people as we dey talk. Those people wey dey talk there is no genocide in the Nigeria. I hope people are seeing. My prayer for everybody wey dey support wetin dey happen for Nigeria, you will be like Nigeria and Nigeria will happen to you. I have my prayer for now. Since we wanna choose to dey support evil go be your own portion. That thing what dey happen to other people wey you dey support, it go happen to you and your family. You know say people know they like truth, and I go dey tell them the truth. For pump people, for barabas gist, when I get the raw truth as it dey happen. My people, as that one still dey happen, no be small thing, you know say we dey bring am back to back. They say for Imo State, the work of Nigerian military na to enter inside villages, go dey bomb market. So what are they trying to do? This is when they say they starve us during the war and they want to get rid of our market. They will not target IPOB. No, Sonkwa don't come outside, come shout, come talk say they go bomb market within inside in village. Say waiting the old women within inside market to do them. We will bring the videos one after the other. May you watch. As the watcher, message say share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section as it dey hot. Stay tuned.
Nnamdi Kanu, this is FCT High Court, Abuja. So, Nnamdi Kanu has filed a 550 million naira suit against the Nigerian Medical Council and the 10 medical doctors that conspired and issued a fake medical report against him. And the court ordered that they should examine Nnamdi Kanu, but that they never did. So they went to wrote what they call medical report, and it was that medical report that made the court to refuse Nnamdi Kanu's bail. So based on that, we have written to them, and they did not show any remorse. So we have filed a suit against them. It's 550 million naira suit against the Nigerian Medical Council and other medical doctors. So that is the position. That's and God bless you.
Emma, very quick one. I'll go for the otu ndami gesi bawa go for the na juma haka training. Otu gesi bawa ga na juma haka training. Only him and ndami can you ga warrant in the army, Nigerian soldiers. What we warrant Nigerian soldiers to invade a local market full of old women. I mean, full of old women. Odi Amigwe market in Umunoha. Odi Amigwe market in Umunoha, my town. 99% of the traders there and market women, the market traders there are women. Are you getting what I'm saying? Now, the Nigerian military invaded a local market. For what exactly? Shooting sporadically. If you see the way old women, you are falling down, breaking their legs, you begin to ask yourself, what is actually wrong with the Nigerian military? What is wrong with them? You know, what is wrong with them? Is that the rules of engagement? Is that how to do to fight terrorism? If you are pursuing terrorists and you see that terrorists enter inside the market, the best thing for you to do is it to start shooting people or to start shooting sporadically. Probably in the process, you will kill an innocent woman or kill innocent people. There is no reason. I've been making investigations to find out whether there was reason for the invasion of all the Igbo market today. There was no reason. Military men just invaded a local market, started shooting sporadically, sending panic everywhere, forcing old women to be falling down and breaking their legs. What kind of military action are you people taking in this country? When somebody speaks now, you will come at the person. The person is sponsoring terrorism. That is the only thing you will do. That is the only thing you do. You invaded a market full of old women. For what exactly? Is the market the camp where these terrorists are? Is the market the camp where these terrorists are? You invaded the local market. Even my own mother was affected. Now that you have wounded my mother, where will you give me the money to take her to the hospital? You are invading markets. Take the war to their doorstep. You know where these people are. You know where these people are. You know their camps. Take this war to them. You are invading local market, causing panic, wounding many people, shooting sporadically. The Imo State government, the Imo State governor, the CDS, Chief of Defense Staff, and all the top military people in OPC, please call your men to order. Call your men to order. Call your men to order. Okay.
Nigerians, so yesterday, being the 13th of November 2025, bandits attacked 4 places inside Sabon Birni local government area of Sokoto State. They attacked 4 places last night. 4. This attack happened around 11, 10, 10:45, and 11. 4 places were attacked last night. The places that were attacked last night are Yabulutu, Gajit, Alkalawa, and Gerim Mageji. These are the 4 places that were attacked last night, yesterday, being the 13th of November 2025. In Yabulutu, they unalived 4 persons, they kidnapped 5, 2 persons were injured. In Alkalawa, they unalived 1 person, kidnapped 8, 3 persons were injured. In Gajit, they unalived 3 persons, kidnapped 2, 1 person injured. In Mageji, Gerim Mageji, they unalived 4 persons, they kidnapped 10 persons, 10, and 4 injured. This one happened yesterday. Yesterday here for Sokoto State. Inside one local government, Sabon Birni local government area of so that is where all this thing happened. They will not tell you. The media will not show you this. They will not tell you all these things. Trust me. They will not tell you. But I'm here to be telling you all these things. They will be hiding it from you, but I'll be bringing it out. Instead, we'll be showing you one thing or the other. Forgetting the fact that people are losing their lives here in the north. Every day by day, we are being kidnapped, we are being kidnapped, we are being killed, we are being injured, and you can't see it in the mainstream media. But don't worry, come here, come to this page, come to the English Alhaji page, where we don't spread fake news. Everything I tell you here is fact. For this attack that happened yesterday, I will get the videos of this attack, the images, then I will send it straight to my Telegram. So if you are not following my Telegram, please do well to follow. The link, I will leave it in my comment section here. On Facebook, the link is in my comment section. If you are Instagram, the link is on my bio. Go to my bio, that's where you find the link to my Telegram channel. Guys, we are at war with bandits. We are at war with bandits. Trust me, they will not tell you, but I'll be telling you. You know the story? If they hide them, the English Alhaji will they bring her out. If they hide them, I will they bring her out. You know the story? Before I leave, I no go fit live here without telling the federal government of bandit. For sake.
My people, no be small thing, no. Una don see am as e take dey happen. Now we say we bring am come show una. Abeg, may you share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section. What we are praying, we dey wait for Donald Trump now. Wetin come hold am, make him come. Things are going wrong. People dey buy every day. Because if you watch now, immediately Donald Trump talk that in Nigeria army come dey post. That post where they post, but these guys still dey do their normal work. Now I come dey ask, where they come dey? E get why? Abeg una share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section.